Okay, so we are in Excel and we're going to look at two things. One is sorting and one is filtering, and they're very, very powerful. Great to help us to make sense of numbers and data quickly without having to work things out, okay, or use special functions or whatever. So have a look here. I have a worksheet here and I've got sales reps, all with different sales levels and experience, and a month of the year and an area and what they sold. So let's just imagine they're selling donuts. I'm on donuts now. Okay, so let's just imagine they're selling donuts, and these are however many donuts they sold at their stores in that time, and how much each donut cost and how much money they made and all the commission that they made and all that. Okay, so let's do a bit of a sort here. So at the moment you can see I've got just everything is all over the place, yeah? And so I want to sort this data so it makes a little bit more sense. Perhaps I want to do it according to my salespeople. So I'm going to go ahead and click in my first cell A1. Alright, I'm not going to select everything. You can, but I'm not going to, because I'll show you why. Watch this. So I'm going to go to Data, and I'm going to choose Sort. So I click on Sort, and it automatically goes ahead and selects everything that is together. And I can scroll down, I think. Oh, okay, I can't scroll down, but it will have gone all the way down to the bottom of all my data, and everything is now selected. However, very important, this is checked, which is good. It says my data has headers, and if you remember, I clicked in A1, so that first row contained all the headers. Yes? Okay, so if I don't check that, okay, it's going to include that in the sort, and it's going to just get really messed up. So we put a check there, but only because we did have our headers selected as part of our data. Okay, and now you'll know that this works because when you say sort by, I can go here and I can actually see the headers are here. Here they are here. That's a good sign. All right. If it wasn't like that, it would do this. Column A, B, C, D, E, F, G, which means I haven't had headers selected. And that would be bad because my first row would get messed up there. So I'm going to just put that back on. And we're going to do a sort by everyone's name, and we'll do it alphabetically ascending. So I'm going to go to sales rep. That's the person that I would like to see. We're going to sort it by sales rep. We're going to sort on cell values because that's all we can. And A to Z, if I say ascending, A to Z. So let's see what happens. So this is our first level sort. Click OK. Done. As you can see, it has started with A, worked its way down to C, D, E, K, P, T. All right, so it is now sorted all of this according to sales rep. How about two-level sorting? Okay, let me explain what that means. Back to cell A1, click on sort. It still remembers what I sorted from the last time. Okay, sales rep, and now let's sort it according to the month. So sales rep and then the month of the year as well. So that's going to be a second layer of sorting. All right, so I'm going to click on add level there. So it says sort by sales rep, A to Z, then by, and I said the month, remember, then by the month, also A to Z. Just because, yeah. So let's have a look and see. So I click OK. Now you'll see it has sorted from A to Z there, and also from A to Z according to month. All right, A, B, C, D, E, F. So it does look a little odd because we expect January to be first. So, if the January had a 1 in front of it, it would work. Okay, but there you go. So that's sorting and filtering. I could then do another level altogether. So I could go sort, and I could even add yet another level. Whoa, wrong place. Hold on. Go back there. All right, add a level there. And then I could do it according to area. So again, it really depends on what it is you're trying to extract information-wise from your table. All right. So that is sorting. Sorting's very easy, guys. Just select your data or click on the first cell of your data, click on sort, select what it is you want to sort by. I think that was pretty straightforward. Now, filtering is something very powerful. Filtering lets us see or extract specific information from a lot of data in a table, and it does it very quickly and very easily. So let's say, for example, I would like to filter all of this according to the month of January. I'd like to see all the sales for the month of January. Now, instead of sorting it by January and then trying to figure things out, I can actually just run a filter. Watch this. This is so cool. Click data. Okay, I'm in my first row because that's what I'm going to use. My headers are here. Here is my filter button. So I'm going to just switch on the filter. It switches it on. Now I know it's switched on because I can see in every cell I've got like a little drop down arrow. Okay, I'm going to move these along a little so it's easier to see. There we go. And I've got a drop down arrow. So let's go to the area column E and let's do a filter according to Durban. Let's see how Durban did. Alright, so watch this. I can click on area, click on the little arrow, and here you can see it shows me at the moment all of my cities. There they are there. So I'm going to deselect all of them and I'm just going to switch on Durban. So I click on OK. It then filters all of the data, just showing me Durban. That's what I filtered. I filtered everything else out, and here it is here. That is just Durban. I could maybe include Durban and Cape Town, for example. So here, I don't know if you saw where I went there, guys. I went back to my little filter button, clicked on my filter button there, and I went and I added Cape Town. Okay, click on Add Cape Town. There you go. So now I've got Durban and Cape Town. Now, what if I want to sort this now according to city? When I click on my filter icon, all right, my filter button over there, you can see I've also got sorting here. It's already here, so I can sort A to Z. So let's just sort that. Cape Town first, Durban second. Nice. What else can we do? So I'm going to clear this filter now. I'm going to click on clear over there. And let's see, let's do all the more experienced sales reps. Those are the level 3, okay? All level 3 sales reps. Click on OK. Nice. So I see I've only got Terrence. So let's do 2 and 3 so we can see who else do we have here. We have quite a few. And let's sort that according to skill level. And we'll do it from largest to smallest. So we'll have Terrence at the top. There he is. And then we'll have the rest over there. Absolutely perfect. Just 3 and 2. I can add yet another filter to this existing filter. So I've got sales level 3 and 2. I'm going to also filter the areas. Okay, so I'll do Durban and Johannesburg. Durban and Johannesburg. So I'll click OK. So only those, it's only these. I have Terrence on level 3, Ebony and Cherie on level 2. And they were in Durban and Johannesburg. Do you see? So we can have more than one filter running at the same time to show us exactly what we need to find. That is the power of filters, guys. And you can filter almost anything. I mean, even money. All right, let's do that. I said filter money, hey, not launder money. Just be careful, you heard me right there. Have a look here. Let's see, how about sorting out the money or filtering it according to the largest quantity sold. So let's go here. We'll sort largest to smallest so we can see 7978 was the largest. But we can actually go and say number filters equals, does not equal, greater than, equal to top 10. Okay, so the top 10 numbers there. Watch this, top 10 items. I've done an instant filter. The top 10 highest numbers of quantities sold appear automatically here in the filter that I've chosen. Have a look where I found that. I went down to number filters. It's in here. And I just went and chose top 10. You could do between. You could do less than or equal to. Equals, does not equal. Above average, below average. It's awesome what you can do with this, guys. Play with it, see what it does, experiment with different filters, and see what sort of information you can extract from a table like this.